Welcome to this month's Chicago Housing Market Update. I'm Ann Rossley. We're going to talk about what's happening in the real estate market in downtown Chicago, both single-family homes and condominiums. And today we're looking at those properties in the lakefront communities. That means South Loop to Edgewater and those immediately to the west, such as Westtown, Bucktown, Wicker Park, Logan Square, Roscoe Village, etc. So let's jump into it. Let's look at single-family homes. It's very much the same story as it was last month. 106 homes sold. That is lower than typical, but we are at the top of the busy spring market, folks. Typically, April is when most of the homes go under contract, but this year, we didn't see a dip down in May. We're still seeing an increase in sales. 106 was the number. 109 homes went under contract. That's up 2.8% versus May of 2025. And you can see it is also up versus the previous month. 116 homes are currently for sale. This is the story of the day. No inventory. We have 40% fewer homes for sale today than we did a year ago at this time. 1.5 months worth of inventory. That means it takes 1.5 months to sell out everything on the market, given the current rate of sale. It is very much a seller's market when you're in this range. And that inventory is down 35% from a year ago. Of course, when you have very little supply and a lot of demand, prices go up. So the median sales price for a single family home right now is $1,566,000. That is up 10% from the year before, folks. We don't see that at all typically in Chicago, and it's up 48% versus 2021. This is something I have not seen in 40 years of real estate here in Chicago. 347 homes have closed year to date. That's down almost 12% from 2025. All right, let's switch over to attached. And of course, that means condos, co-ops, and townhomes. 1,134 closed last month. That was up 1% versus a year ago in May, and up again a little bit from the previous month. Under contract, 1,078. It's up just a smidge compared to May of last year, but pretty insignificant. And you'll see that the number under contract is going down. That follows the pattern. Typically, March and April have the most properties under contract. So this is not a scary thing that we're down a little bit from the previous month. It's just following the seasonal trend. Just like single family homes, attached all-time lows right now. 1,412 are currently for sale, down 32% versus May of 2025. That equates to a 1.7 month supply. Median sales price, $478,000. That's up almost 4% in the last year, which is very strong for Chicago. It's up 14.5% versus 5 years ago. So the condo market, I should say the attached, it's a very strong market here in downtown Chicago. 4,109 have closed this year to date. That compares to last year, 4,301. So we're down 4.5%. year to date. All right, let's look at rentals. Rentals are up also. So it's not just the sales market, it's the rental market that's up. And we're up 6.7% year over year in rent prices. Now, the next couple of pages of statistics is for all of Chicagoland, not just downtown Chicago. We are number 10 in the nation for markets in rent prices. And indeed, we are one of the top risers for rent prices, only behind San Francisco. So it's not like we cost as much as San Francisco, but we're increasing more rapidly than any other market in the United States in terms of rent prices, except for San Francisco. So that's the scoop. It's an interesting market right now. Let me say, you know what? There are times that you'll need to buy or sell in a market like this, and that's when you really need help guiding you through it so that you can make the most of your situation. So if I can help in any way, please reach out, and I look forward to seeing you next month. Thanks for watching.
Okay, let's go.